Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UpBase for logistics and delivery management, a must-know for 2025. First off, log into your UpBase account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Head over to UpBase's website and register. This is where all the magic begins. It's your command center for managing logistics. Next up, let's add your vehicles. Go to the Fleet tab and input your vehicle's details. This helps us because it allows UpBase to track and manage your fleet effectively. Don't forget to include essential details like vehicle type, capacity, and current location. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your delivery jobs. Click on the Jobs tab and start adding your delivery tasks. The reason we do this is to enable UpBase to plan routes and schedules. Be sure to include key details like delivery location, package size, and priority. With the jobs in place, let's talk routing. Here's where UpBase's magic really shines. Click on the Optimization tab, select your parameters like shortest distance or fastest time, and hit Optimize. Let me explain why this matters. UpBase uses algorithms to create the most efficient routes, saving you time, fuel, and money. Finally, it's all about tracking and managing your deliveries. Go to the Live Tracking tab. This gives you real-time updates on your fleet, helping you resolve issues on the fly. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to use UpBase for logistics and delivery management. Remember, the key is to keep everything updated in real time, and UpBase will handle the rest. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.